Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you an amazing 3D virtual drawing tool that I built using Streamlit and Plotly. With this tool you can draw in real 3D space directly from your browser, like VR painting tools such as Google Tilt Brush, but simpler and lightweight. Features are available in this. You can change any color, size, position of any of shapes. Position you will change like this, and then add shape. Choose any shape mode, sphere. So add shape, showing you this is showing you sphere. You can drag and drop, moving in any size. You can choose zoom in and zoom out in full screen. Change the color of this ball. Select, pick a color, any color you can choose. Selected, add shape, so the color is changed. So this is my short virtual drawing tool for learning students. So that's how you can build a lightweight 3D tool entirely in Python. You can run it locally or even today it Hugging Face spaces, so anyone in this world can use it from this browser. This is a great example of Python. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Let me know in the comments what feature you had like me and add next. Maybe undo, redo or exporting this scene as a 3D model. Thank you.